Now we will be looking at the law of syllogism. So the law of syllogism is very similar, except now we add a third thought. We add R. So it has to go PQ, QR, and then our final is going to be PR. Okay, so here's an example. If it's July, then you're on summer vacation. If you're on summer vacation, then you work at a smoothie shop. So you can conclude if it is July, then you work at a smoothie shop. So again, order is important. Here, it has to go PQ, right? Q, and then this pink color is R, right? So our first line is P implies Q. Our second line is Q implies R. So then I double check. I start with the yellow. If I wash the car, that's P. Then I will buy candy. That is R, right? Or if we look at the second one, it still goes PQ, QR, right? If I go to practice, then I can play in the game. If I play in the game, I will run around. But then here it says, if I ran around, well, that is pink. That is R. That goes R to P. This one is not valid because you cannot go backwards. Still the same idea. You cannot go backwards. So this one doesn't work. This one does. So let's look at your papers. If I wash the car, then I will earn $10. That's P implies Q, right? We start with P and then there's a Q. If I earn $10, then I will go to Starbucks. Well, I washed the car, so I went to Starbucks. So PQ, QR, PR, right? This is valid. Purple, blue, blue, green, purple, green. You can kind of think about like these two kind of cancel each other out, right? And you squish the green and the purple together. If I go to bed early, then I will be rested. If I am rested, then I will stay awake in class. I went to bed early, so I will stay awake in class. Again, that is valid. Look at the colors. Look how they line up, right? PQ, QR, PR. The first sentence and the last sentence start the same. That's a hint. If Juan drives to school, then he can pick up Judy. If Juan picks up Judy, then she will bring him food. So if Juan drives to school, then Judy will bring him food. Again, valid. This is how we use the law of syllogism. Number 4, if today is Friday, then I will make supper. If I make supper, then I don't have to do the dishes. I didn't do the dishes, so today is Friday, right? Here it goes, PQ, QR, but then we go RP, right? This is not valid. You cannot go backwards. Just because I didn't do the dishes does not mean today is Friday. There could be all sorts of reasons that I didn't do the dishes. So now let's make our own conclusion, right? If it's raining outside, I will get a ride to school. If I get a ride to school, then I can sleep in. It is raining outside, so what can I conclude? I can sleep in. Purple, green, green, blue, purple, blue. If the football team wins tonight, we can go out for pizza. PQ, purple, green. If we can go out for pizza, Q, green. I restated the same phrase. Then I will get sick. R. I got sick. Can I conclude that the football team won or that we went out for pizza? No, I cannot. I cannot go backwards. There is no conclusion possible. I could have gotten sick for all sorts of reasons. Maybe it was raining outside and I wasn't properly dressed, right? So this concludes your notes. Go ahead and read